Hey there! Ever feel like you're in a room full of clutter and chaos, just like my life a while back? Yeah, it's all a bit overwhelming, right? That's what happens when we set vague intentions. You know, like those "I'll be healthier" or "I'll be happier" goals. They're as messy as this room. But here's the deal, setting specific intentions is like decluttering your life. Let me show you how. Step 1, choose one clear goal for the week. It's like picking up one item at a time from the mess. Step 2, now, write it down. I mean it. Grab a pen and write that intention. Step 3, make it specific. Avoid vague stuff like exercise more or read more books. How about run 5 miles this week or read a chapter every day? See, now you have a clear path to follow. And guess what? This workshop I'm telling you about will take you from this chaotic room to an organized, focused life. They'll teach you the art of crafting laser-focused intentions for unstoppable success. The best part? You'll have lifetime access to the training videos. So, clear the clutter, write your intentions, and join us on January 13, 2024. It's time to transform chaos into clarity.